Hey JR, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. We had talked the end of last year about some SEO for your website, and you had explained that you were under contract with an existing company, but you weren't overly impressed with what they had going on. So I just wanted to follow up today, give you a quick audit of what I'm seeing currently for your website. Just where you guys are at after finishing up with them in March. And what opportunities you still have available to you for your business. So looking at your guys' website, it looks very similar to where what I had seen last time I had kind of done an audit on it. It still looks really nice. There's still not a lot of content on here, which definitely is king when it comes to rankings. So again, one of my recommendations for your site would be to increase that content. Also, this should definitely be a click to call. People are doing mobile search very often, so making that a click to call will definitely help with those conversions from people searching for mobile devices. Looking at the back end of your site and what you guys have done, it looks like this shows me referring domains. So what this is the number of backlinks you have pointed towards your site. It looks like you guys have been pretty steady. It looks like January you went up to 70 or so right here. Then I've kind of been on a steady decline since then. So I don't know if you have somebody else doing your SEO for your company right now, or if you are just not doing anything with SEO at this moment. But the backlinks and the referring domains is definitely going to be helping you guys with generating the search traffic that's available to you guys. You're currently getting 41 people per month headed towards your guys' site. Looking at keywords you guys are ranking for, you do have some good, key terms in here. So H-Towne Around, Remodelers, you guys are doing great there. There's a lot of search traffic coming from this, but there's a lot of opportunities here still as well. Houston Remodelers, here's another 150. You guys are ranking 19th for this. Home Remodeling Contractors Houston, 20th. There's a lot of opportunity here still for your business. Remodelers Houston, you guys are 45th. It's getting 300 searches per month. So still a lot of opportunity here that you guys could capitalize upon if that is something you're still interested in. If you are, fantastic. Let's set up a time for a quick phone call and we can kind of dive into it a little more. If not, that's totally fine as well. Hope everything's going good for you guys and you've been able to get back on your feet after COVID. And wish you guys the best. Thank you.